This is 2025. If you have not started a YouTube channel already, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you actually waiting for? You're waiting to get the expensive gears, right? You are waiting to buy, what's that? You're waiting to spend thousands of dollars to start a YouTube channel. You must be kidding, and you must be rich. If that is you, you can scroll up. But if you don't have all these things and you're wondering, how do I start? What do I need? Come closer. Do you know that all you need to start a YouTube channel is your phone? Yes, I'll be telling you a few things that you can use to start a YouTube channel that is already inbuilt in your iPhone and whatever you have in your surroundings. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vimati, and I am back with another banger, another tea. So we all know that YouTube is a platform where you can make money, get paid, but a lot of you guys have not started YouTube because you're probably wondering, how do I start? Do I need the most biggest gadgets? I need to go and buy a camera of $1,000, $2,000. I need to set up lights. I need a billion things. Hold on, just breathe. I'm here to tell you that you can actually start a YouTube channel using just your phone. Yes, just a phone. So if you have a phone handy like this, you can start a YouTube channel. You don't need any other thing. All right, I'll be telling you a few things that you can use to start a YouTube channel with just your phone and whatever you have in your surroundings. All right, stick with me. I have a lot of information to share in this video. If you happen to have the latest iPhone, I'm talking the iPhone 16, in fact, you really don't need a camera except you just want something very, very, very high quality, because the iPhone 16 has a very high quality camera. Both the front and the back camera is high quality. But you can start shooting with your iPhone, starting from an iPhone XR, an iPhone 11, 12, thereabouts. From an XR, you are good to go. In fact, before, you could actually start shooting your video using the iPhone 7. But I'll just advise you, if you do have an iPhone XR upward, XR upward, you are good to go. Everything you need is on that phone, and I kid you not. So I'm going to be telling you major things you need to shoot a YouTube video that is already inbuilt in your iPhone. Number one, camera. Of course, the iPhone has a very good camera quality. The front, like what I'm using now, it's a very good camera quality. It's okay, it's nice, right? It's a perfect camera quality. Or you can either use the back for a more crisp quality. I sometimes do not like to use the back because sometimes, you know, it might go off. You might not be recording and you wouldn't know because you're just seeing the back camera and a lot of that. But of course, by all means, if you have a mirror in front of you that you can use to monitor the camera, then, or if you can do the work, then you can go ahead and use the back quality. Let me show you what the back quality looks like. So I'm currently shooting with my back camera and it looks crisp. It's also okay, it's perfect, and it's fine too. So the back camera, it's actually the preferred option. In fact, the best option to use is your back camera because it gives you a more crisp video, a more better quality, you know, than the front camera. But I like to monitor myself while I'm talking. I like to, you know, see what's going on around, look at my face while I'm talking to you guys. So depending on what you prefer, you can use any of the cameras. Make sure that whenever you want to shoot with your iPhone, make sure that you clean your camera, clean your lens. Take a clean cloth, preferably a cotton cloth, clean and wipe your camera down, both the front, both the back camera, because most of the time your videos don't come out well because your camera is probably dirty, it has freezes all over it. Make sure that your camera is really clean whenever you're shooting. Also, the next thing that you are going to be needing when shooting a high quality video is probably lights. All right, now if you are shooting without lighting, obviously you're not going to get the best quality, especially iPhone thrives when there's lights. All right, so when you have a good lighting quality, trust me, your videos are going to come out really, really crisp, really nice. Irrespective of the camera you decide to use, whether you decide to use the back or the front camera, it's going to come out crispy nice. Now let me show you something. Now I'm currently shooting seated in front of my window. All right, you can invest in ring lights and all of that, but we are talking about what you can start, like starting your YouTube channel with whatever it is that you have currently. Now, I'm currently seated in front of a window, and I've placed my camera in front of me, in front of the window, looking right at me. I'm positioned directly in front of a window so that I can get the best lighting quality. Now, if I move my phone, for example, and I decide to position myself anywhere that is not in front of the light, you can see that the camera quality is not as nice, you know, as when I was seated directly in front of, you know, the window. Next thing you're going to be needing is a tripod, a stand where to place your phone. If you currently do not have, you know, a tripod stand, a mini stand, a tabletop stand, or whatever it is that you think you're going to need, no worries. You can actually sit down like I'm sitting in front of this window. I actually place my phone at the edge of the window. You can position your phone right at the edge of the window and you sit directly in front of it, right? Very easy peasy. You don't need to do too much, right? In fact, if you don't have that, you can stack up books, paper, table, anything, you know, just to make sure that your phone can stand like this, like the way mine is staying, and you sit across. Obviously you need a chair. You can, you know, get a chair and sit. I can sit, if you have a sofa in your house, like obviously there's sofa here, but I can't sit on the sofa because I'm trying to stay in front of direct sunlight, and the way the sofa in this place is arranged, I will not be in front of direct sunlight, so I have to make use of a chair just right in front of the window so that I can get the best quality videos. Are you taking notes? Now is the right time to subscribe. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do well to click the subscribe button and like before I continue. Obviously, the next step or the next thing you're going to be needing to shoot a successful YouTube channel is obviously audio quality. Very good, crisp audio quality. And it is not new. You know, it's not hearsay that iPhone has very good audio quality with or without the mic, right? I'm currently using a mic. This mic is absolutely cheap. I got this mic for about 10,000 thereabouts. You can get this wired mic. I use a wired mic and I prefer the wired mic. Obviously there are options of wireless mic that are really cheap, but aside using the mic option, I'm going to plug out my mic and let you see what I currently sound like, to tell you that the sound is still very okay. It's just better if you use a mic, but if you currently cannot afford a mic, you can still go ahead and use just your phone. All right, I'm going to plug out the mic. So here is the video with me just speaking without the mic, with the mic plugged out, right? So you can see that you can also get very good audio using just your phone, right? But the thing is, you make sure that you probably shoot when you don't have distracting elements like noise. You probably shoot during the time when you know that there is going to be less noise at all, maybe when people are really not around, or you tell people that you're shooting so that they can be quiet, because you don't want unnecessary noise, because iPhone picks up background noises, all right, which is the importance of using a mic, because it blurs out all the noises. But iPhone picks background noises, so you want to make sure that you are shooting when there's no unnecessary noise around and unnecessary, you know, sounds going on in your background. You want to make sure that your background is clear so that you don't distract the viewers from what you are saying, right? That is one. And obviously another perk to it is to make sure that you are speaking loud, like speak up, speak as loud as you can. All right, it's different from when you're speaking like this, hi, welcome to my channel, and no, make sure that you are speaking at the top of your voice, right? So that you can get the best audio. Depending on how far your phone is to you, you have to speak as loud and as clear as you can to make sure that they can hear you and you get the best and absolute quality using just the phone audio. Also, if you are using CapCut for editing, there is a way to enhance the audio to make sure that the audio is actually louder. So head over to CapCut and I'm going to show you how to do that. So in your CapCut app, you select the video, then you look for the volume, then you'll see that it's at default 100. Then you go ahead and increase it all the way to 1,000. So let me play the sounds and show you what it actually sounds like when you increase it. You go into your CapCut app, you go into your audio, and then you can increase. Also, if you are using CapCut for editing, there is a way to enhance the audio. Now, using all these specs, you can see that you're going to get absolute, complete, and undistracted and usable audio using just your phone, right? So I'm just going to plug back in my mic and we can continue the video. Next, I'm going to show you a couple of settings that you can set up to enhance your video quality when shooting with your iPhone. Head over to your phone, you select the settings. Then when you get to settings, scroll down and look for the camera option. Then you go ahead and select your camera. So when you've selected the camera, then you select the record video option. Then you see a lot of options like the 1080p HD at 30 frames per second. You see the 1080p HD at 60 frames per second. You see the 4K at 24 frames per second. You'd see the 4K at 30 frames per second and the 4K at 60 frames per second. The 4K at 60 frames per second is the highest resolution ever. Mind you, it takes up a lot of space on your phone, but if you have a high memory phone, that should be fine, and that's would give you the crisp, the better quality. I sometimes use the 1080p at 30 frames per second or the 60 frames per second just to save up space in my phone. So you can select any one you like. So if you are going for that really crisp, clear video, I would recommend that you shoot with 4K. Just that 4K videos takes up a lot of space on your phone, and obviously when you're trying to save the video, it's a bulky data, so it takes more time when you're trying to save the video. When you're uploading, it also takes more time, but it is the sacrifice. Aside that, I would recommend you shoot with 4K. I do not shoot with 4K because I do not have the patience of having to upload really bulky videos, you know, because I'm looking for the best quality. Guys, I do not have the patience. But if you have the patience and you want something really crisp and nice, and most importantly, if you have space on your phone, please do well to shoot in 4K. You're going to love the outcome, right? But if you can't, I'm currently shooting with the 1080p. Sometimes I shoot with 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second, depending on my mood. I'm sure I'm not sure the one I'm shooting with, but it still comes out nice to me and I get my video across, right? Good. So also, when you are shooting in front of direct sunlight, you have to go to the settings and lock your screen, because if you're shooting with direct sunlight, the focus of your screen, the lightings might begin to change as you move. So to avoid that, just hold down your screen while editing like this and lock it. All right, so that keeps your lighting in place and the focus that you have on your screen in place. Have it in mind that whenever you are shooting a YouTube channel, you have to shoot vertically. Let me show you what it looks like when you place your phone horizontally. This is me placing my phone horizontally, and as you can see, this does not work for YouTube. It works for YouTube Shorts, but for a proper full video, you have to bend your phone like this for the best quality. All right, next thing you're going to be needing is yourself. Of course, I was not going to miss that. Yourself, right? Your full self-confidence. Everything that you have to bring to the table, yourself, the way you sound, the way you start your video, the way you pass across your message, you know, everything, your personality, bring it onto the table and just have your iPhone and you are good to go. Obviously, as you continue to shoot your videos and you continue to make money on this platform, then you can think about upgrading. Do not wait until you have all the fancy equipment and all the big cameras and every of those things to start a YouTube channel. You can start right now with whatever it is that you currently own All right, with just your phone alone, you can even start any social media platform using just your phone, whether be it Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Using your phone, you can edit skits using your phone. If you're waiting till you get all the gears and all the fancy equipment, you're just wasting your time. A lot of your mates are already making money on this platform. Make sure that you plug in. If your dream have always been to have a YouTube channel, this is your cue to start right now. Sit and talk. Open your mouth and talk. You might not know there's somebody waiting to listen to whatever it is you have to say. So pick up your phone. Stop looking at your phone. Pick up that damn phone and freaking record. Okay? You are fully equipped. And the earlier you start, the better, because making money on YouTube is a lot of work. Have it in mind that you have to have 4,000 watch hours, which is approximately like a lot of videos. Some of you are lucky to have the watch hours in one video, but you have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. So if you are waiting to start next year or per year, you need to know that for you to start making money, you have to have been shooting videos. So the earlier you start making your videos, the earlier your watch hours and your public views start counting before you actually get to monetization. It's a lot of work. So I think you should start already. This is to my girlies, this is to my boys, this is to everyone watching me. This is me telling you, pick up your damn phone and start a freaking YouTube channel. That is about all I have to say in this video. If you liked this video, please leave a sweet comment and subscribe to my channel. And obviously, I think in my next video, I'm going to show you how to edit. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you what apps I use to edit. Very simple apps that I use to edit and how to actually edit using your phone. Thank you guys for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.